In the Philippines, acai is known by the brand name Organic, a U.S. brand known for its premium blend of acai juice extract. Now, one of its loyal users is validating Organic acai berry's reputation as a potent supplement.
Ako si Miriam Milarpes, nakatira sa Marikina City, 23 years old. Product specialist po. That time na yon, 3 months ako na-delay, akala ko buntis ako. Then, hindi ako nakapag-test nun kasi nagkaroon ako ng spot. Then, pumunta ako sa OB-GYN, tapos doon nag-negative yung test ko. Then, na-shock ako na hindi pala ako buntis. Then, ine-require nila na magpa-ultrasound ako. Doon ko lang nalaman na nagkaroon ako ng bukol sa ovary. Ito ay polycystic. Then, sabi ng doktor ko, sabi ng OB-GYN, operahin na siya kasi nasa stage na 4.52, hinihintay na lang mag 5 cm doon sa stage na operahin. Then, parang wala rin akong pera no. Natakot ako operahin kasi ayoko matigil sa trabaho. Naghanap ako ng ibang doctor. Then, nalaman ko yung organic acai berry. Tapos sabi ni doc, sa loob ng 1 week daw po, magkakaroon ako. Then, 3 days lang ako nag-take no. Nagkaroon na ako nun. Doon po, nag-follow-up check-up po ako, tapos ultrasound. Doon sa follow-up ultrasound ko po ay naging normal yung left ovary po na sinabi ng OB-GYN ko na operahin ay na-waste up po yung bukol, nawala po yung bukol ko sa ovary. Naging normal po siya. Hanggang ngayon po ay umiinom pa rin ako ng organic acai berry po. Malaking tulong po yun sa akin. Kasi dahil doon po sa organic acai berry po ay nawala yung bukol ko sa ovary. Naging normal po siya na sinabi ng OB-GYN na operahin. Hindi na po ako na-operahan. Nawala po yung bukol ko sa ovary. Hanggang ngayon, patuloy po ako umiinom ng organic acai berry.
We're doing a case study with your organic acai berries. Okay, we got 20 to 30 patients. Okay, this is spread out from patients who have endocrine diseases to patients who have already post-op malignancy diseases, meaning cancer patients that already undergo surgery, and we are ongoingly treating them and following them up. Okay, this is to say that the research will deal with the effect of organic acai berry corresponding to their components. Okay, we've been talking about several good components of your organic acai berries. Okay, but how good is them? Okay, to these patients. So we did some laboratory exams. Okay, we want to check if this is correspondingly good or improved to their patients. With regards to the result, I think basically the 10 diseases that we're tackling with taking up organic acai berry are there. Improved immune system, improved wellness. Okay, the blood pressure is maintained because this is also good for hypertensive patients. Okay, then wellness. We got patients who have low libido or sexual inefficiency, so we got improvement on that patient. We have the selective patients on that, and very well from that is I think patients improve in a general wellness dynamic aspect. Prescribing organic acai berry is not only one, it has high antioxidant content.